Hi, dear Shuttle computer customers. This is a new model SC77R5. If you encounter problem installing video card on the PCIe slot because of these cables, try to do the following with me. First, we need to unplug the USB 3 cable, bend it, and put the cable under the hard drive. Then plug it back to the USB 3 slot. Now the USB 3 cable is now under the hard drive. And for these 3 lines, see there's a clip under the hard drive. We just put it to the bottom of the hard drive and clip it. So now you see there is now enough space for the PCIe. Thank you.